man nakasado lang.
Wala po, oy. Karam pa to na ako ba?
Wala pa. Uy, kabasurahan. Kung kita makashot, dapat sa dilak.
Bantay lalagi di na ma-shoot ha.
Wala pa.
Ano? Hoy. Wait sa, time sa.
Nganong wala ninyo gilabay og tarong ning basura?
Did you know that?
Did you guys know that the Philippines has among the highest collection rates in Southeast Asia? Yet it's the world's third biggest source of plastic. Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 or Republic Act 9003 describes solid waste as a discipline associated with the control of generation, storage, collection, and disposal of solid waste. Every day, almost 48 million shopping bags are used in the Philippines, adding up 70 billion a year. Several lawmakers attempt to mandate a nationwide prohibition of non-biodegradable straws, single-use plastics, and to regulate the production, import, the use of plastic bags. So please be responsible of your own garbages.
Kahit simpleng pagtapon ng basura sa tama, hindi man lang natin magawa.
Kaya ugaliin nating magtapon ng basura sa tamang lalagyan.
Kaya dito sa USM, ipinagbabawal na ang paggamit ng single-use plastic.
Wag.
Wag!
Wag!
Wag.
Ang matigas ang ulo, itapon mo basura mo.